Hello, this is my Encon ceiling fan. This is my childhood fan, and it has been in this room since 1989 or around then, and I've slept in this room since I was born, on and off, 'cause it's my grandma's house. And this fan is not original to this room. It was a replacement to a light fixture, and the light fixture burned the ceiling, thus the reason we have that canopy around the ceiling fan. And I'll go show you what the light looks like really fast so that you know what it was like. Just a kind of a cheap early 80s light, but that's what it was. And we haven't had any problems with this one, and I've tried to get Grandma to put a fan in this room, but she won't do it. So we'll come back in here and we'll turn it on. I'll turn it on low first, going forward, and then work up to high. I'll reverse it on high, and then work down to low in reverse. And then I'll show you the light kit here. There's no chain for the light kit. It popped out on me some years ago, and it's a Turtle 4 light kit, and the glass pretty plain. I'm not too crazy about it, but the fan works even when the switch is in the off position, so it doesn't really matter that the light came out anyway. And there it is. So here we'll start with low. It's kind of got a slow low to it. It used to go a little bit faster, but I wore it out with all its use, and when up until I was 5, I had my crib where the TV is now, and the mattress was high enough that I could reach up, and not knowing any better, I pulled on the blades and worked it loose, and kind of bent the brackets a little bit. But don't be mad, I was only 5 and I didn't know any better. But it has sustained a little bit of damage because of that, and someday I might try to restore it at some future date, but I don't know when that'll be. Here's medium. And now high. And I'll hold the camera up to the fan to show you the buzzing noise that the motor makes, because that too is starting to wear out, and I'll have to work on that. And it wobbles a little bit. Not too much, I don't know if you can see that. I can't notice the movement on my LCD screen, so I don't know if you'll be able to see that. But it is shaking, and it took a little bit more before I tightened the blades on it, because the screws came loose. And now I'll show you on high, and just so you know, I do not switch the reverse switch when a fan is on high when I normally use it. I'm only doing this for the video, just to show you what happens when you do. And I think it's the light kit making that noise. It's never done that before. It's not wobbling as much when it goes on reverse. But good gravy. It's never done that before. This is what happens when you don't test your fans before you film them. Because I rarely run this fan on high anyway. Just because of its age and its problems, I leave it on medium or low most of the time. This is medium. Oh, for crying out loud. Yeah, that was the one that was making that vibration. And now low. This fan is made by Encon, because I remember what the chain looked like before it popped out on me, and it had that oval medallion with the Encon symbol on it. It's got a wood motor housing, and I've never seen an Encon fan with that in a picture or in real life, so the blade irons are that of the Encon Georgian, but I don't know if that's what this fan is or not. The fan was purchased sometime around 88 or 89, so it's a late 80s fan, and it's not compatible with 4 blades, it's just with the 5 blades, so if it was, I'd install it with 4 blades, but it's not the way the holes were put into the motor. It's spinner motor type, no flywheel. And if anyone knows what the model name of this fan is, I'd greatly appreciate that. Please post comments in the comment box if you know. Thanks. And thanks for watching this video. More to come.